हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ दिविशा अग्रवाल एंड आज का वीडियो बहुत ही सिमिलर है टू ऑल माय ईयर एंड वीडियोस। सो मैं हर साल के एंड में एक ऐसा वीडियो बनाती हूँ। इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक रिफ्लेक्टिंग बैक ऑन माय ईयर एंड द डेज दैट आई हैड, गुड बैड, मोस्टली गुड बिकॉज हैप्पीनेस बांटने से बढ़ती है। सो बेसिकली वी आर गोइंग टू सिट हियर एंड चैट। आई एम लिटरली इन माई pajamas because I wanted this video to be very chilled out and not so scripted or something like that. This year was full of ups and many downs for me, but the more important thing is we made through all those bad days. Now we are here talking about the year that we had, and I'm just so proud of myself for that, and I'm proud of anyone who has been through a really tough year. I have actually curated some pointers on my laptop because मुझे याद नहीं रहती चीज़ें. So मैंने सब कुछ नोट डाउन करके रखा है, not in a script form, just some pointers to remind myself कि मुझे क्या क्या बोलना है. Otherwise it'll be like a very gibberish video. Okay, first up, January. So January this year was full of like exploring new places, new cafes, new types of coffees, and spending more time with friends, family, just quality time, and of course shopping a little bit because sale season hota hai, and I just cannot stop myself from shopping during sale because it's a girl's problem. And also in January my parents were visiting us in Mumbai and it was their anniversary, and we kind of did like a little celebration at home, and then we went out for dinner and spent like good quality family time, just laughing and stuff like that. So it was really wholesome. In February, I actually got a chance to attend like a couple of fun work events. There was this one party where I went and I literally did not know anyone. Plus मैं socially awkward हो जाती हूँ, so मुझे वहाँ पे कौन मिला? B-Unique मिला, and he made me feel so comfortable. He was literally the sweetest person ever. Like I was just constantly yapping about my YouTube channel and the content that I create and making like a complete fool of myself. I don't know why I did that, but he listened to me patiently. In Feb, I also attended this meetup sort of a thing which was organized by my agency which I was working with back then, and it was kind of nice because I met an extroverted version of myself in that scenario. I don't know what got into me. I was talking to everyone in the room, which is so opposite of my personality, trust me. So yeah, I had fun on that day and I made some good new friends. So it was a win-win situation. It was something that I am going to take away from this year that I need to do more next year. Towards the end of February, I actually organized like a full-blown professional photo shoot for my Instagram and YouTube videos because I was kind of in a creative rut, I would say. So मुझे चाहिए था कि कोई और shoot करे for a change because I usually shoot my own content and I thought कि मैं कुछ नया नहीं ला पा रही हूँ. So I actually worked with somebody to create like, you know, high quality content for both platforms, and it was so much fun. Like we shot for straight 10 to 12 hours and shot like many looks that day. It was so much fun and I'm so glad that I did that. I definitely wish to do more of these in 2025 because the output was just really good and I was super satisfied. Light chali gayi thi guys, but we were on March, so the month actually starts with my birthday. So my birthday is on 1st of March if you don't know, and it's always special. This year हमारे कोई ऐसे solid या fancy plans नहीं थे to be honest, but I ended up spending my birthday in the best way possible, surrounded by my family and my closest friends. So everybody kind of surprised me with all my favorite things, and we had like a sleepover, long drive, and we went out for partying, thoda sa dancing and all. So yeah, that was really fun. It was the best day ever. Secondly, I attended this event with Creators United and I actually ended up making so many new friends that day that it literally felt like I'm back in college or school because हम लोग बस हंस रहे थे फालतू के jokes पे, you know, we were just cracking PJs and laughing and eating and all those good things that we usually do in college without worrying about any kind of competition or stress or anything of that sort. I'm really grateful that I got to meet so many cool new people and make them, like, count them as friends. Towards the end of the month, my school friend, she was in town for the first time, like in Mumbai for the first time, and I kind of took her around. We met actually after a long time, so हमारे पास ना बहुत कुछ था बात करने के लिए. So she was kind of filling me in on her life and I was doing the same thing, so it felt really wholesome and nice because एक पुराने friend से बात करके you feel I don't know, different only altogether. And if you have any like really old friends, you would agree with me because unse baat karna is like, no pressure of impressing or any kind of judgment, or it's just you can be completely yourself. April started on a very good note because we came here in Rajasthan to my hometown and it's always like really rejuvenating for some reason. सारा का सारा जो स्ट्रेस होता है वो हम मुंबई में छोड़ के आते हैं एंड यहाँ पे आके एकदम फ्री फील होता है. सो दैट्स वन थिंग एंड स्पेंड सम good quality family time with parents and stuff like that. Apart from that, we also went to my nani's old house. So मेरे नानी का गाँव में हम लोग गए थे and वहाँ पे हमने like it was so nostalgic and we did almost everything that we used to do as children. Like छोटे थे तब करते थे, summer vacation में जाते थे, ऐसा लगा कि दोबारा से बचपन में चले गए हैं. So yeah, this is your sign to visit your nani's house. If you don't do that often, do that. It feels great. Then I was back in Bombay for work. I attended like a couple of work events. One was with Huda Beauty, which like I couldn't contain my excitement because it was one of the dream brands that I wanted to work with for so long. So I was really grateful for an opportunity like that, and I am hoping for more opportunities like this in the next year. Yeah, Huda Beauty, I love you. End of April, I shot the first episode of a series that I was working on at the time for Instagram, and it was called Mumbai Aur Main. And if you follow me on Instagram or YouTube Shorts, then you know that what this series is all about. So basically, I was just exploring the city while stating my relationship with the city of dreams, and it was something that I wanted to do for a long time. It was kind of like a passion project sort of a thing. I was so grateful for the love that I received on the series because everybody kind of loved it, and the storytelling bit, it just satisfied me creatively. So yeah, I definitely wish to do more of these storytelling sort of videos on my Instagram and YouTube as well, because I think that's something that I genuinely enjoy making. Starting of May, I actually got a chance to check something from my vision board. So I kid you not, I imagined myself walking a red carpet in the start of the year, and I was like कि ऐसा कुछ मौका मिलना चाहिए. So I got a chance to attend like a couple of fashion shows in the Lakme Fashion Week that was happening in Mumbai in May. It was my first ever fashion show पहले तो, and फिर हम लोग वहाँ पे पहुँचे तो there was this red carpet and your girl actually got her red carpet moment. So it was not all glam and glitz, but मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा milestone था because actually I dreamt of a moment like that and it happened for real. So I was really happy and grateful and felt super blessed in that moment. So yeah, never stop dreaming, guys. End of May, again, work-wise, it was good. So I got a chance to attend an event with 82 East, which is a brand by Deepika Padukone, and she was herself there at the event when she was pregnant back in May. So I actually got to see her like up close, and she was so gorgeous. So June 1st week was definitely the highlight of my entire year because we went on this 7-8 day trip with my closest friends, and it was actually a trekking trip. And if you have watched the vlogs, you know that how much fun we had on that particular trip, because वो 7-8 days मैं शायद कभी नहीं भूल सकती. It was so amazing. It was so different from any other usual trip because हम लोग trekking पे थे. It was my first trek, and for most of us actually first trek था. Yes, those 7-8 days I cannot describe in words because they was that special. We got to experience so much beauty all together and just uninterrupted, no Wi-Fi, no connection. It was amazing. So I urge everyone to plan such a trip with your friends if possible, because you are going to take this memory forever, like throughout your life. July was also eventful. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई July first week में. So first thing was I went to Pune for 2-3 days to spend time with my friends and actually work on a special project with Pune Little Stories. It was one of a kind, so I had so much fun on that shoot. Again, very grateful for such opportunities and working on like new creative projects. It really recharges my creativity too. Apart from that, I resigned from my job, so I served my last like working day on 2nd of July, and it was kind of a milestone for me because if you have been watching me for a while, you know that मुझे कब से job छोड़ने की इच्छा थी and I wanted to pursue this full time, and I finally did that in July. So that is one more thing. My parents were visiting us in Mumbai and it was peak monsoon, so weather बहुत अच्छा था. So we kind of planned like a staycation for 2-3 days in Nashik and like full family, Didi, Jiju, Mummy, Papa, sab log, and we spent so much time, family time, just playing games and taking pictures and just talking, laughing, exploring Nashik, eating food and stuff like that. August and September were really weird months for me this year for more reasons than one. So I kind of took a break from work. I was not posting much and I was not even creating anything new. But I managed to binge watch Gilmore Girls, all seasons, all episodes, and love the show. So if you have not seen the show yet, do watch it. You would love it. Especially for all my girls out there, you should definitely give it a go because it was really like heartfelt and nice. So October also started on a very weird note. My phone kind of broke, so I had to pay like a lot of money to get it fixed, and I was without my phone for like 3-4 days and I lost like a bunch of important data too. So उस टाइम पे I actually hit rock bottom because ऐसा होता है ना कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें गलत हो रही है and you are already feeling really low, और फिर उसके बाद एक और चीज़ हो जाती है and then you literally like lose everything, like lose your patience, lose your calm and just feel super exhausted कि मुझे नहीं करना, एकदम breakdown, rock bottom. So वो moment था मेरे लिए in October first week. And yeah, basically I wanted to include this in this video because I want everyone watching this video to know कि सारे ही चीज़ें highlights नहीं है, कुछ ऐसी भी चीज़ें हुई है जो बुरी है. I want you to know कि सब कुछ बहुत रोज़ी नहीं होता जैसा वो दिखता है. So don't ever feel under confident कि यार इसकी तो लाइफ बहुत अच्छी है और इसकी लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है या हमारी लाइफ में सारे प्रॉब्लम्स है, बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं होता है. Everyone has their own set of problems, their own battles, I would say. So yes, keep going and don't ever doubt yourself. After the phone fiasco, I thought that I really needed a break. So एक spontaneous trip plan हो गया with my school girlfriends and it was a girls trip to Goa. So we had fun and we kind of explored new cafes and new beaches this time, watched a lot of beautiful sunsets, and you can watch our vlog over here if you want. October actually ended on a high note because I got this really cool work opportunity which was very different from whatever I've done till now. So it was like the secret project that I worked on, and वो secret अभी भी है because वो अभी तक reveal नहीं हुआ है, अभी तक release नहीं हुआ है, and I can't wait for you all to watch it. Actually, we kind of traveled to Vizag to shoot this particular project, and yeah, that's all I can say for now. So I'm really grateful for such opportunities, new things, because I got to know myself better on that trip and on that project while working on it. So yes, looking forward to more such exciting things in 2025 too. In November, I also made a big girl purchase, which was this MacBook. Yes, it's my first ever MacBook, and I've been delaying it for like a really long time now, and I've been wanting it actually for a while now. मेरा पुराना लैपटॉप बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गया था, like I was not able to like edit and stuff. So I finally got this upgrade, and my YouTube game, my YouTube, everything has changed for me because इसमें सब कुछ बहुत फटाफट होता है, and that's why I'm able to post more videos on YouTube nowadays. So yes, I'm really grateful that I was able to make this purchase. In December, we wrapped up some pending work and came to Rajasthan, my hometown, because यहाँ पे ना ठंड बहुत अच्छी पड़ती है. So we wanted to enjoy the winters and spend some family time because that is also important. The highlight of this month was definitely the Udaipur trip that we took as a family, and it was like a 4-day long trip. We explored streets of Udaipur, visited some of the best spots in the city, and just spent good family time together. After coming back from Udaipur, we have just been binging on our favorite food made by mom because it is something that we don't get in Bombay, and if you live away from home, you'd know what I'm talking about. It's just out of this world when mom makes something and you get to eat it. Apart from that, Papa actually decided कि वो हम तीनों को गाड़ी चलाना सिखाएंगे, me and my sisters, because हम तीनों को ही driving नहीं आती है, and he's got like really good driving skills, plus he's super patient. So we got the best teacher in the town. We are learning how to drive in his old car, which is Maruti 800. It's a family car and it's manual. So अगर हमने basic manual गाड़ी चलाना सीख लिया तो हम कोई भी गाड़ी easily चला सकते हैं. That's what he feels and that's what actually I feel too. So basics को strong करके we are practicing every day from the last 1 week, and I'm actually enjoying this whole process of driving a car and learning a new skill. It's a newfound love and definitely going to stick with me throughout 2025. I'm going to learn more skills this year for sure. So yeah, that was 2024 for me, guys. Let me know how was 2024 for you in the comments below, because I would genuinely love to know. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all the good things, and I'll see you guys in 2025 with a brand new video. Until then, Happy New Year. Have a great New Year Eve and New Year Day. Spend time with your loved ones, and bye-bye.